If I take us back to the early part of our transformation journey, we knew, several years ago that we were going to need to move our systems landscape from its current, 8+ different ERP systems, which is both a mix of SAP and non-SAP systems, into the new S/4 system. As we looked at what that might do to our systems landscape, we realized that we had several very highly customized versions of SAP, as well as several custom-built applications that were helping us facilitate several processes. We knew going into S/4 that we did not want to further customize the SAP boxes, and we didn't want to carry over these customized systems. So we started looking for out-of-the-box solutions that would help us facilitate these processes. One that really stood out to us was BlackLine, because not only did it have the automation that we wanted to achieve that would help us on our journey, but we also realized that it had a way to systematically enforce some of the process changes that we wanted to make. I think here specifically thresholds to make sure that we weren't doing lower value work, and instead we're concentrating on the higher value items. We also were pleased that BlackLine was able to handle the level of complexity that our organization has. We do something like 10 million intercompany transactions, and we really needed to make sure we had a system that could handle that, and BlackLine was able to.